task.
أهلا بكم في تاسكلش. في السلسلة دي هنتعلم tips و tricks خاصة بالأمريكان accent. Let's start. him, her. تعرفوا إننا مش بنقول أصلا him ولا her. طب بنقول إيه؟ إحنا بنقول m وبنقول er، يعني بنحذف أصلا ال h. ناخد أمثلة أكتر. For example, I ask her, I ask her, I ask him, I ask him, I like her, I like her. He loves her very much. He loves her very much, not loves her. I miss her so much. I miss her so much. I know her. I know her, not know her. Okay? So know H. I know her. I know him. I know him well. I know him well. Bye bye.